Want to tell you guys, if you get that charging issue, don't let your dealer tell you that it's wait till it comes back on. There is a TSB released in August of 2023. You could do a search, and it talks about the charging system error. Just plug in the error. You will see the TSB come up, and print that out. And matter of fact, actually, I'm going to put a link in the description for that error. Make sure you print that out and bring that to the dealer and say, hey, look, this is what I think is going on with the car. I know there's a TSB on this, and that TSB requires the dealer to replace it. It is under the warranty. I say some dealers, and like my old dealer basically is like, oh, well, if the light goes out, we'll bring it back. Don't buy that. You could still bring it in. They should be able to do a tech stream scan. If the light came on and went out, you should be able to see the codes that are in the system. So get it done, get it fixed, because obviously I didn't know this. The dealer tells me it's a safety issue. The car could catch on fire charging. So it's not something that you would want to be riding around with, obviously. Anyway, good news is this dealer, Empire Toyota in Huntington, can't recommend them enough. Sonny was awesome. He was my service advisor. The guy was a stand-up dude. Basically, I didn't have to ask. Like, I went to my other dealer when I had an issue with my earlier Prius. I think it was a head gasket issue. And I had to ask, hey guys, do you have a loaner? And they said no. So I had to make arrangements on my own. And they were the ones that determined that they needed to keep the car longer to do these extra testing, and would not even give me a loaner. This guy, Sonny, he basically said, listen, this is a safety issue. Don't worry. We got a loaner. And this is the loaner I got, the RAV4 Hybrid. So, guys, I can't say enough. Definitely make sure you talk to your dealer if you get that charging system error. It is caused by heat, and it can be fixed because there's a new part that replaces the original charging system assembly, and that is more tolerant to the heat. So it should not be happening. Don't let them tell you that it's okay. It needs to be fixed. All right, guys, I hope this helps, and please, I hope this helps for you guys, because I had the same runaround. Anyway, take care, good luck, and be well.